Several academies of science and medicine around the world issued a joint statement on Wednesday calling for greater international cooperation and noting the pivotal role scientists play in addressing the COVID-19 pandemic. The statement was signed by 15 members of the InterAcademy Partnership of Academies of Sciences and Medicine, IAP. In the statement, the group emphasized the urgency of international cooperation in several areas. Rapid, accurate, and transparent international communication about the unfolding epidemiology of this novel viral disease, including patterns of transmission, incubation period and lethality, and the efficacy of various methods of intervention was required, the statement read. It also called for real-time sharing of detailed scientific information about the virus, the pathophysiology of the disease it causes and the human immunologic response, its origins, genetics, and mutations, and coordinated activities to advance knowledge in all of these areas, as well as information sharing on the research and development of medical products, along with collaborative research efforts to advance this vital R&D. In recognition of our mutual reliance, coordination and alignment of regulatory and manufacturing processes and quality standards are required to accelerate availability of reliable personal protective equipment, diagnostic testing devices, and medical treatment capacity, it states. The group said that international communities also required collaborative efforts to undertake rapid but evidence-based analysis of emerging concerns that may emerge as the global pandemic progresses. International cooperation and information sharing in all of these dimensions will be particularly critical in countries and regions where the public health and healthcare infrastructure is not adequate. In order to push the government to carry out the recommendations, the Indonesian Academy of Sciences sent a letter to President Joko Widodo's administration. The letter was sent through Cabinet Secretary Pramono Anung on Wednesday. In the letter, Academy Chairman Satrioso Menteri Brojonegoro reiterated the message from the academies, calling on the government to consider the role of civil society and private organizations, as well as to give greater support to the World Health Organization in addressing challenges posed by the pandemic.